OMG, as I was recording my last video, I suddenly saw another feature that I can show you that's linked to the new docs in Canva. I'm going to show you how to take the information that Magic Write has given you and how to convert that into a presentation. And it's just one simple step. Hi, I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. I'm going to go to my screen now to show you how you take Magic Write into a presentation. I'm in my homepage, and this was the demo that I did on Magic Write, the AI content generator, which is absolutely brilliant. I'm going to make a copy of that and then open up the copy, and I'm going to get rid of a lot of these. I'll take out these two, because I think the 5 HR tips will make a very good presentation. And obviously you need just one piece of information or one presentation that you want to make. And then I found out at the top, and I hope you can see this, it has convert to presentation. So it really couldn't be simpler. I'm going to click on this, and it goes straight into creating my presentation. And you can see the default has come up with lots of different styles that I can look at. Or I can simply click on your brand, and it'll swap it to my Be Your Own Graphic Designer colors, which is great. I might actually move it into my other brand, which is more marketing, because it suits the business presentation better. And then you can see I've got different ways of laying this out. So it can have all the tips on one, again on one. And it's got 6 slides, so we'll see what we've got. I might go with this one, which gives me the opportunity of putting images down the side. A much more visual way of presenting. I'm going to create my presentation. It's got my font in, which is Montserrat for this brand. And then I'm just going to find some images to go with this. Not quite sure why it's changed font size here, but that's something we can easily correct. And probably taking it up to that 58 is a better size font. So let's do that. Now I'll also take out the full stop. You can see how quickly this is going to become a pretty decent presentation. And it's not going to take me very long at all. So I'm just going to type in 58.1 to change it quickly. Okay, now these are all the same size, so that makes more sense. I think I'm going to center that one. This will be the first slide, and we'll leave it fairly plain. Center it. And I'll probably go into & Co and add one of my logos to this. I have lots of designs in my brand kit. If you don't have a Canva Pro account, you're limited to just 3 different colors in your brand kit. If you have a Pro account, and it's one of the real advantages, you can have all different logos on here for my different brands. I can put this just along the bottom easily. Having shown you how to do it once, I duplicated my branding and then just copied it down to all the different slides and dragged it. Now I've got a branded slide, and you can see how this is really taking shape very quickly. That's the start. Let's find some images that will help us tell this story. I'm going to go to photos. And I'm just going to take the individual messages from the slides and put them in the search box and see what comes up with. This looks like a good one in terms of communicating clearly. There's 2 people talking together. That's the first image I'm going to drop in. And this one looks like a training one, which looks quite good. And you can see the grid lines helping me line up to make sure I'm in one half of the page and that my picture is sitting in the center. Work environment. This looks like open and collaborative. And then we get to our final slide. I'm going to simplify that to needs and goals. Let's see what we get. And that's it. So let's have a look at what it looks like when you go to present it. So I'm going to click on the present, the standard presentation. I could add music to this. I could add a voiceover. I could record it, because I can do all of those things in Canva. Now you know how to get content generated using the Magic Write AI content generator, converting it into a presentation, branding the presentation, and then presenting it. As you saw, I used the brand kit and several pro images on this. And if you'd like to try Canva Pro, I'll drop a link below this video where you can sign up for a free trial. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.